Hi everyone, I hope everyone is doing well. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix the issue of inactive menu options in Excel. As you can see, I am in Insert tab and I want to insert a picture in this Excel sheet, but the illustrations picture setting option is gray out and I cannot select it obviously. As you can see, I click shapes and I cannot select anything. How to fix this issue? From the upper menu, we're going to File, and after we open the file, we are going to Options menu from the left section bottom, and from here we're going to Advanced, and we're scrolling all the way down until we found Display options for this workbook. We're going to For Objects Show, and you can see the Nothing Hide Objects is selected. We're selecting all, clicking OK. And as you can see now in Insert tab, the illustrations option is active again and you can insert shapes or picture to your Excel worksheet. So this video was like this. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please give a big thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, to see more future content. Thank you for watching my video and I will see you very soon in my next one. Until then, have a nice day. Bye bye.